The natural environment in which we live is a risky place. The industry in which we work is a risky industry. Your life is fragile, your health is fragile, our natural environment is fragile too. That is why we need safety rules to help you protect yourself and the Mother Nature in a difficult place. Our key safety objectives at Mogas are to ensure wellness and safety of our employees, to engage all our stakeholders and the communities in which we operate on safety and environmental protection matters, and lastly, to ensure the security of resources we depend on. So, by remaining true to Mogas values and staying focused on our sustainability goals, we will then deliver our ultimate goal of safe Mogas products and services. Thank you for watching.
This is a fuels terminal where we store bulk petroleum products and also packaged warehouse products. One of the key things that we also do here is basically receiving products, storing, and issuing to our customers. People look at petroleum as a very unsafe product, but it depends on how we handle it.
We need to observe safety at its highest level. If we do not observe the safety, there could be an accident which can cost life for many people within our depot, for our employees, or for anybody who walks into our depot for business.
Because safety actually comes from everybody, and it's inculcated in everybody's mind, the soul, and the heart.
When you arrive at any Mogas facility, you will encounter a security check. This may include a search of both the exterior and interior of your vehicle. It is part of our regulations that you reverse park your vehicle into one of the allocated parking bays. At the security office, you will need to provide confirmation of your identity and undergo a personal body search. This is in the interests of safety and security. All our facilities will indicate safety procedures on a board located near the entrance. Every individual is encouraged to familiarize themselves with the safety procedures and requirements. Especially relevant is the assembly point. This is the area people will congregate whether it is a drill or a real-life emergency. It is important to look for these signs to know where to gather should the need arise. If your appointment falls within the administration area, you should report directly to reception. If you are working in the area where petroleum products are handled, you will first go through an induction and a further inspection to confirm if all the safety requirements are in place before entering the facility. This may include specific vehicle and equipment checks. If all is in order, you will be allowed to enter provided you are wearing the correct PPE. This includes safety boots, a reflective jacket, hard hat, safety glasses, and in some cases gloves. You will also be required to hand over your mobile phone before you enter into the fuel depot. This will be returned to you once you exit the facility. You are reminded that this is a hazardous area and all safety procedures and signage should be strictly adhered to. Be extra careful when using stairs or operating near heavy machinery. Large trucks are constantly moving through the offloading and loading areas, and all persons working in and around these vehicles should be extra vigilant. The buddy system, where you keep a watchful eye over your colleagues or fellow workers, helps ensure their and your own safety. Fire drills are regularly practiced, and when the siren sounds, you should treat the exercise as if it were real. If you are unsure of the correct procedure to follow in the event of any emergency, please make contact with your supervisor or Mogas employee for further instructions.
We instill the discipline of working safe and keeping the product safe, delivering safely to all our customers.
We have trained all employees about the safety. The stakeholder who comes into our depot for their business or for any purpose, they are also equally being given an induction training so that they understand how to maintain safety in a fuel storage depot.
We have a safety programs that really deal with all procedures. We have maintenance that is running well in place. We have incident reporting systems that will be able to capture any incidents or near misses that we can be able to share across the company.
And Mogas Uganda and Mogas Tanzania are proudly certified company of OSHA's 18001.
From the management point of view, walk the talk. We also inculcate the same culture into all our staff and stakeholders.
We urge to each and everyone to think rationally and reasonably and observe safety and work in a safe and conducive manner.